Traut Companies is a leader in sonic drilling technologies since 1998, coring over 200,000 feet of both consolidated and unconsolidated bedrock formations. The Traut Sonic Division has gone across the nation, drilling in 18 states, sampling in sandstone, limestone, shale, dolomite, and coarse granite, and leads the industry in rotosonic rock coring. Many of Traut resources have gone into developing new technology, so we can provide the largest quantity and best quality rock cores to our clients, without exposing the core to drill fluids or heat, all while still getting a 99% recovery rate. Sandstone has many inconsistencies, from soft to cemented, and we have the expertise to recover it all. Our Traut Sonic Division will capture the different mineral changes throughout the formation, even though the size and shape of sandstone can vary significantly throughout. Because of the abrasiveness in sandstone, it is easy to heat up the sample, which could alter many properties of the core. So we developed new techniques and equipment to solve this problem. Here is an example of the transformation from sandstone to weathered limestone. Notice the actual intersection between the layers? This sample goes from sandstone to a more solid limestone, showing clear examples of the intersect. Hundreds of holes have been drilled with the limestone formation, and here is a sample of the cores we get showing this type of formation. The length of the core section is determined by the hardness of the limestone and the fractures present in the formation. There are solution cavities throughout this particular sample, with different size core lengths, some natural and some caused by the coring process. We can help determine which type of fracture it is, in whatever length of sample run you desire. As you can see on this limestone shale mixed formation, the geology can vary. Our sonic crew can gather the entire core without missing any of the puzzle pieces, which is extremely important in understanding the formation and what is actually in it. In this sample, we went from the hard limestone into a softer sandstone formation, still collecting the entire sample. Formations can have multiple hard and soft zones stacked closely on top of each other, yet our crews capture the transitional zones, providing critical information for interpreting the formations. Our sonic rig can also give samples of coarse granite formations. As you can see, the sample gives a very detailed view of what the formation consists of, even showing the grain on the granite. Traut's K50 sonic drill head has a grouting system right on the drill rig, and has the capability to drill with mud, water, or air at a faster pace than drilling with any other method. In most cases, when drilling looser top formations, the amount drilled will equal the core recovery. But in tight formations, the core could actually be longer than the amount drilled, since the material will go towards the least resistance, which happens to be the core barrel. If there is a discrepancy, the driller will determine the cause and report it, verbally and on the drill log. Traut Companies has been collecting samples for mineral exploration since 1998, and in the past 6 years has helped come up with solutions in recovering problematic deposits. Our rotosonic rock coring technology makes nothing too soft or hard for us to get an accurate, true, continuous sample, making life easier for geologists to find the appropriate area for finding minerals. Diversity and flexibility are the basis of Traut Company's drilling philosophy. Our personnel has been involved in numerous environmental investigation and construction of monitoring wells and soil borings. Finding the exact location of any contamination is critical for safe and effective ways of going right to the source for the remedial process. Since our drill fluids don't come into contact with the core, there's no contamination washed or burned away. With this experience, we have the added benefit of having extensive, diversified drilling capabilities, such as seismic drilling and doing borings for water test sampling for municipal wells. Traut Company strives to keep up with the ever-changing needs and demands that our industry has, and we can assure you that we have the latest technology in drilling equipment, tooling, and crews. No job is too big or too small for us to handle.